Hi guys, this is Mrs. Tucker. I know it's been a while since we've seen each other. I hope you guys have been doing well as we come to the end of the 9 weeks. Can you believe it? We've already been in school for 9 weeks. Okay, technically 8 weeks, but here nor there. So your assignment for Thursday is going to be a quick questionnaire. Now guys, when you look on this and you open the assignment, it's originally going to look like I just put 2 sign-ins, and notice it says sign in and sign in. But I promise when I open it, and right now since I haven't released it, I can only do edit. But one of them is your actual sign-in sheet, your Avid attendance check-in. You guys have been doing really well. Some of you a lot of you have fixed your class period, which I appreciate. But please make sure that you do this every day. So even if you're turning in the assignment for the day, which is awesome, this really makes it easy for me just to put here, AVL present, AVL present, AVL present. So yes, you should be doing your assignment, but please do this. Now, even though this one says sign in, when you click on it, you're going to notice it says AVL or face-to-face instruction. So you're going to give me your last name, your first name, your class period, and the only thing that I'm asking you to do, and even if you are a face-to-face student and you are working from home, because I'm actually going to ask my face-to-face kids to do this as well, I just want you to answer this question for me. So please click the answer that applies to you for the next 9 weeks. So remember, you have the opportunity to switch from AVL to face-to-face or face-to-face to AVL, and that's going to go into effect on Monday, this Monday coming up. So either you're currently an AVL student and you're staying as AVL, you're an AVL student but you're changing to face-to-face, you're a face-to-face student and staying face-to-face, or you're face-to-face and changing to AVL, and that's all I need for your assignment for Thursday. All right, guys, I hope you're doing well. Please make sure you're catching up on your work this extra time that I am giving you. You only have a very short window to get your assignments in. Thanks. Take care. Why don't y'all tell me my hair look crazy?